Okay, and back again with another video. Um, Last video was me taking out the engine of the car. Now we're gonna be stripping down the engine. Get the camera adjusted. First thing I do when I strip down I take out the oil filter and look what I see. So whoever changed the oil in this car, they didn't pay attention to the last oil filter that was missing a gasket. So basically, it's double gasket like that. Yep, that's a no-no because that could cause a serious oil leak, and it did have oil under the car, so probably that's one of the oil leaks. So we're gonna go ahead and start stripping shit down. I can see look how easy that cover come off. So basically this is no good, so I'll have to source a new cover. You can see that ain't no good. So trash. I don't do it. Alright, basically get the head off. So now I'm back. As you can see in here, there's some metal shavings there. Look at that. So the oil didn't do no justice of showing if it's any bearing material, but the oil pan off, you can see it. These meters. It's not an oil smoker. This is the one that failed. You can tell that's number 4 cylinder. It's the only one that failed, so I have to get a new crankshaft and some rods. One rod. Alright, I basically get the engine tear down. Mostly all the connecting rod bearings are bad, showing copper. Number 4 cylinder fail, so that's the cause of the metal in the oil pan. So I'll show you how everything looking, and then now I go finalize all the parts I need, because I already ordered head gasket, pistons, probably which I didn't need, but you know, it was for a cheap deal on eBay. Sure, you come with the rings, I could maybe use the rings, whichever, if they don't work or not, because you know these have different type of engine codes, and them pistons I ordered was for D17A2. So in the pictures they look the same, but we won't see. But either way, I could just order another set. But yeah, I'll show you everything now, that way I could see what's going on. See, this is the fail rod. You can see the bearing basically stick to it, so that one I need a new rod and get a new oil pump, water pump, everything come with a timing kit. The 3 rods there good, and look, this the oil, the shavings in there, what's on that number 4 cylinder. And also I need a crank, because see the number 4 one, you can see that, I can't see it, but you can see the aluminum stuff there. Yeah, so that ain't no good. The head look good, surprisingly. Just need a clean up and resurface, but everything else look good. I'm getting a new what do you call it, oil pickup tube right there, change that and done. Got that full of metal. I mean, you could clean it, but I ain't trust it. But everything else gonna be coming new. Now I finalize what I need, so I'm gonna add the rest stuff. I see the flywheel, that lightweight flywheel, because that one that look weird down a lot, so get rid of that, and you know, get everything, you know, replaced. Add a new intake, because this one, yeah, it was on like that, so yeah, that ain't no good. Get rid of that. So even new serpentine belts coming. This one's still good, keep that as a spare. But yeah, overall everything else in the black good, no scoring and or nothing. So yeah, but yeah, that's it for today's video. Next video gonna be cleaning up everything. You know, the camshaft good, luckily. So yeah, we need no new one. So yeah, I'm gonna be cleaning up everything, honing the block, get all the oil galleys clean, take off all the caps in the block, and get all of that clean. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.